Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to unlock your Stash debit card. To unlock your Stash stock back debit card, follow this step. So the first thing to do is to log into your account on your mobile device. Then from there, tap on your bank tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on your card image to flip it over. Then after that, locate the slider next to the lock card and tap it to unlock. So when the slide is gray, your card is unlocked. And if you prefer to unlock your card using the web browser, you can just access your account through the web browser and then click on bank at the top of the screen, then click on account management, then find the toggle next to the card unlock and click it to change the status. So if your card was locked due to multiple incorrect pin entries at ATM, you can simply unlock it using the step above. You need to further the assistance, contact the Smash support, then you can also complain to them about your block card, and that's it.